Hello friends, welcome to Simplify Your Space. One area of our house where we all love to spend time with our family, friends and guests is living room. An organized and decorated living room can rejuvenate the complete atmosphere at home. Those of you missed, last week we did a video on organizing and cleaning up our kitchen. Today's video is on decoration of our living room. To begin with, we will look at the regular furnishing and decoration first, and then we'll round it up with Diwali decoration in the later part of this video. So let's get started. Our bare living room looks like this. Though functional, at this stage, it is at minimalistic level of decoration with just sitting areas and single wall painting. We opted for traditional sofas and puffies for a classic old style look, but it is more of a personal choice. One may opt for modern furniture depending upon your taste and space. For the first step to enhance the look, I decided to add a wing chair to one of the empty corners with a matching cushion. A simple independent addition like this can improve the look of the living room while retaining the functionality to provide extra sitting. To furnish further, we added a small matching carpet under the center table which improves the look of the table itself. Sheer curtains look great in living room. Other than the looks, they add the functionality of better light control and privacy when needed. Since our home is newly made, we planned for the sheer curtain at the initial stage itself. However, those of you want to add it later in your home, it is a very simple process. Next thing, to improve the sitting area looks, I added small cushions on the sofa. Simple sofas can look so much better with cushions in contrasting colors. I personally avoid over decoration and like to keep things at simple and functional levels. On the other wall next to the wing chair, I have placed a simple wall piece with golden frame. There are only 2 wall pieces on 4 walls of a living room and nothing else. I have placed a big indoor plant next to the TV unit. It makes my living room so green and soothing. On the right side of the TV, I have placed a vase on a wooden base which has tree trunk finish. Next is a bottle with rose petals in it. Both complement each other and add to the looks. Our Ganesha idol, which you would have seen in our earlier videos, is now positioned at the center of the TV unit and complemented by books on the left side. Books can help you gain knowledge and decorate your homes as well. I have decorated this side step of the TV unit with these 2 photo frames. Side table is decorated with this big vase in gold finish. It has artificial plants. Space is further augmented with real indoor plant next to it. Some pebbles in it add to its beauty. Rest of the area on the side table is kept empty for an intercom and other miscellaneous items which are kept temporarily, like coasters, notebook, etc. On the center table, I have placed this wooden tray containing coasters and remotes for home entertainment system. This way they stay organized and are in comfortable position of reach. While nothing beats the natural light, I had planned for sufficient lights while interior was getting done. Again, the importance was on aspects of functionality and decor. For me, lights should be good for regular usage, look neat and occasionally augment during my video shoot requirements. I opted for strip LED lights in false ceiling for relaxed looks and LED lights around the edges. Center of the ceiling has this modern chandelier with twin color LED lights. They change colors from warm to white in 3 steps and repeat the cycle every time they are switched on. Additionally, there are 2 pairs of wall lamps also. So while Diwali is some days away, I'm going to show you my decoration plan for that day. To decorate and beautify further, I plan to change the cushion covers to vibrant festival colors. On the center table, I would add a runner. To improve its look further, I have planned to keep a brass tray with a candle in the middle, flanked by 2 diyas with sprinkle of rose petals. To decorate the side table, I plan to keep a glass bowl with dry flowers and decorative battery-operated fairy light, which is easily available these days. I plan to use the same light on the indoor plant with different design. Addition of this brass urli or bowl with flower petals and floating candles can beautify the living room. Adding a few drops of essential oil can enhance the aroma further. Please remember, decoration never means adding clutter or junk to our homes. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for many more organizing videos. I'll see you next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.